Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Google Drive and automate folder organization with AI detailed guide step by step clearly. To download Google Drive, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Google Drive website at drive.google.com. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Locate the download button for Google Drive for desktop. Click on it to begin the download process. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. After installation, launch Google Drive from your Applications or Programs menu. Sign in with your Google account again to sync your files. Now, let's move on to automating folder organization with AI. First, ensure you have a Python environment set up on your computer. Install any necessary libraries by opening a terminal window. You will need libraries such as PyDrive for Google Drive interactions and Pandas for data manipulation. Use the command pip install PyDrive Pandas to install them. Create a new Python script file and import the necessary libraries. Authenticate your Google Drive access using OAuth 2.0. Follow the Google Developer Console instructions to create API credentials. Once you obtain the credentials, save them in your project directory. Load your credentials in your Python script. Next, write a function that scans for files in a specified Google Drive folder. Implement logic to identify the file types or categories you want to organize. Create separate folders for each category you've identified. Use the Google Drive API to move files into their respective folders. Ensure to implement error handling in your script for robustness. Test your script to ensure it runs smoothly and organizes files correctly. Finally, set up a cron job or a task scheduler to run your script periodically. This will maintain organization in your Google Drive automatically. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.